Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to give Microsoft Teams access to your speakers. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Microsoft Teams over here. And from the best matches, you'll find Microsoft Teams. Just open it. And after you have opened it, at the top right, you'll find a three-dot icon, which stands for Settings and More. Just click on it. And after you have done that, you'll find a Settings button over here. Just click on it. And after you have done that, there's a hidden panel over here. You gotta put your mouse on it and then just select and drag it. It will open up a new hidden settings. From here, just select devices. And after selecting devices, what you have to do is to find your audio settings. And under your audio settings, you'll find speakers. From here, make sure the right speaker is selected for you. It's gonna be a speaker or a headphone for you. Just make sure you have selected the right one. And after you have done that, your Microsoft Teams should have proper access to your speakers or headphones if you're using them. But if you still face problem, what you have to do is minimize this. Then just go to Start, right-click on it. Then just go to Device Manager. From here, just expand this section. Then just go to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Then just expand this section. From here, you just have to update your audio drivers. So just go to it. Right-click on it and click on Update Drivers. Click on Search automatically for drivers. I'm updated to the latest version, so it didn't do anything for me. If yours is not updated, it will update it for you. And you can update all of them one by one from here. And then just go ahead and restart your PC, and that should be it. And basically, that is how to give your speaker access to Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.